Hi, boys and girls. Hi, listeners. This is Janny, storytelling garden granny, writing stories in my garden and storytelling them in my garden. I write stories, all kinds, about animals, about silly things. A lot of them have meanings, nice meanings inside the story, like helping others, friendship, caring, doing good deeds. And I write them and I storytell them so the listeners can have an avenue of conversation afterwards. This one is about a little puppy that was born without a tail. You know, there's many animals that are born without a tail or an ear or something. And let's see how this mother behaves and acts toward her little puppy. And let's see what happens to the little puppy that's born without a tail. This is called a happy tale of a puppy tale. Once upon a time, there was a dog mother who gave birth to sisters and brothers. All of her puppies had tails, except one. The sad mother said, "That's it, I'm done. Happy will be his new name. He's different from the rest with no one to blame." Happy was an unusual kind of puppy. His tail he could not wag. He did not know the difference, so he was never sad. That's what it is. I've nailed it. You are a puppy with a smile. We will never see a puppy like you for thousands of miles. You cannot wag your tail. You just smile instead. So everyone knows you're happy, from your missing tail to your head. You have an advantage over all the others, over all your sisters, over all your brothers. Having no tail, you now have been blessed because you have turned out better than all the rest. So the tale about Happy, as you can see, is about helping yourself and others to live happily. Don't be critical. Don't be unkind. Hopefully, for you, the bright side of life will be easy to find. The end. See, boys and girls, how Happy was loved by his mother, and she felt he'd been blessed because he smiled all the time. He did not have to wag his tail. So that's kind of a lesson for all of us, isn't it? See you next time. More tales. Bye-bye now.